Okay, mga kaibigan, i-share ko sa inyo ang nagaganap sa PNP. Kakaroon na ng turnover ceremony, pagtanggal kay General Torre at uupo na ang bagong PNP chief. Pakinggan natin.
Republic of the Philippines, National Police Commission, National Headquarters, Philippine National Police. Camp Brigadier General Rafael T. Crame, Quezon City. Termination of designation. Pursuant to General Orders Number NHQ-GO TDS-2025-4308, dated August 26, 2025. The designation of Police General Nicolas Deloso Torre III, O-06117, as Chief Philippine National Police is terminated effective August 26, 2025.
26.
Designation. Pursuant to General Orders Number NHQ-GO-DES 2025-4309, dated August 26, 2025. Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Corpus Nartates Jr., O-00542, is designated as Officer in Charge, Philippine National Police, effective August 26, 2025. By the direction of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Official, Juanito Victor C. Remulla, Secretary of Interior and Local Government. Signed, Constancio T. Chunay Jr., Police Major General, the Director for Personnel and Records Management.
Thank you very much, sir. You may now be seated. For the next part of our program is the assumption of command and message by our incoming OIC PNP Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr.
Assumption of command. Pursuant to General Orders Number NHQ-GO-DES 2025-4309, National Headquarters, Philippine National Police, dated August 26, 2025. I hereby assume the position as Officer in Charge, Philippine National Police, effective August 26, 2025, and I sign in your presence. With that, I am now ready to assume my post as for the turnover as Officer in Charge of the Philippine National Police.
For the solemnity of this occasion, may we request everyone to please rise.
Yun na.
Please sit down. My fellow Filipinos, today marks a great opportunity, one that is rooted deep within the aspirations I have valued. As I assume as the chief or to lead the Philippine National Police, I'm reminded of the dreams I harbored for a safer, more secure Philippines. A dream where my grandchildren and indeed all Filipinos families can walk our streets without fear. In the next years, as I direct the course of the Philippine National Police, I'm committed to ensuring that this institution stands greater than ever before. Not only in terms of strength and efficiency, but also in the trust and respect of the people. I thank God Almighty for bestowing me this unique opportunity to lead the 228,000 strong personnel of the Philippine National Police. Mga italtaulo, iti pagilian tayo, Apo Madaydayaw, His Excellency Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., President, Republic of the Philippines, for his trust and confidence to implement the needed reforms in the organization. Thank you so much, Apo President. To the Dynamic Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government, Honorable Juanito Victor Junbic Remulla, sir. Thank you for your support. To the outgoing and the first Lacan Chief PNP, Police General Nicolas Deloso Torre III. Thank you for steering the PNP for what it is today. To my beloved family who has nurtured me to what I am today, my father, my mother, and my brother, my wife, Mary Rose, and my children who are the source of my strength and inspiration. I would like to recognize the presence of all government executives, friends, relatives, and the beloved members of the Philippine National Police who are here present, especially our members of PMA, Tangladiwa Class of 1992. At sa lahat, sa okasyong ito, isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat. My story began many years ago as young lad growing up under the care of my grandfather, who served.
Okay, mga kaibigan, kapansin-pansin, wala si General Torre sa turnover ceremony. Dapat sana, nandyan si General Torre. So, ibig sabihin, wala. Masama ang loob niya, hindi nagpakita. Anyway, antabayan natin ang susunod na pangyayari. Salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig. At ang sweldo natin, pantulong sa kanila, namimigay tayo ng livelihood assistance, nagpapatanim ng saging lakatan at Arabica coffee. Panoorin yung video na ito.
Anami sa among area sa among gitamnan og kape. So karon nagaabono mi og naga-spray sa among kape. So muna ni sila ang nagtabang para sa among pag-abono. Og karon muna ni ang itsura sa among kape nga isa pa ka bulan. Abunuan og sprayan. Karon lay ang mag-abono lay pod ang naga-spray. Kining among gi-spray Silicron og Romix. Og karon gawa sa among tinanom nga kape maupod ni ang among tanom nga lakatan nga hapit na mamunga og nindot na gid kaayo nga tan-awon kay mga tambok man o gawas nga tambok hinlo pod ang among saging nga lakatan. So salamat kaayo sa Ginoo og sa nagsuporta sa among pagpananom og kape. Hinaot